Hello everyone, welcome to Bilisuma Show with Wayesa. Are you a Pan Oromo pastor involved at your community church on Sundays? If you are, I would like to pass this information to you. In my opinion, I suggest that before your church service, you teach your fellow church members, your church goers, yes, at the Pan Oromo church you should teach your church members, again, church goers, about what's going on inside Oromia, what's going on at Hambo, what happened in Jimma, Asela, again, Ambo, and Wallaka. Those Oromos who were killed by the Agezi security forces. You have responsibility to teach your community at the church level. Yes, you have responsibility to teach your church members that yes, Oromo students were killed by Agezi security forces at Hambo, Wallaka, Asela, Jimma, and many places. Yes, Oromos were killed because they express their concern for what's going to happen to Oromo farmers who live in Oromia towns around Finfinne, Sulota, Burayu, Sabata, Lagatafi, and everywhere else. You have responsibility to teach your children. You have responsibilities to teach Oromo church members at your church before your church service. Yes, Oromos were killed by Agezi security forces again, by the Tigrinya speakers. Yes, Oromos are a victim of Tigris as we speak. Today is going on. You have responsibility to get awareness. Be aware. The people that are killing Oromo students, yes, they speak Tigrinya. Yes, they call themselves Agezi. Yes, they take their orders not from OPDO members, not from Okumada Maksa or Abdulaziz or Asemamo or Hailemaram Desalegn or Abadullah Gamada. No, they take the orders from Tigrinya speakers, from TPLF elites. And yes, they are arresting Oromo students. Yes, they are abusing Oromo students. Hambo, Jimma, Walaka, Asela, and everyone else is going on as we speak. Again, if you are a church leader, if you involved at your church, if you are a pastor, you have responsibility to teach your community who is doing what to Oromia and to Oromo people, to Oromo students. You have responsibilities every Sunday at your church. Yes, these people, the elites are giving orders to kill Oromo students, to Agesi. They give orders and then they say we are brothers and sisters. We are one family. We are one people. At the same time, they are killing Oromo children. You are watching Alternative Media. My name is Wayesa. Thank you so much for watching Billy Soma Show. You take care. Bye-bye.